Honorable Digamo, we shall proceed to vote.
That is correct po. I agree with the explanation of our fellow members of Congress. But there's also one reason I would like to add why I believe that we have to proceed with tackling the other issues or other complaints. It is because of the discrepancy too of the signature in the affidavit of the first complaint. If you are to look at the signature there, the one in the, how do you call this, affidavit is different from the passport that is being presented as an ID, no? Or a, so parang the more that I am resolved to vote against taking into consideration the first complaint.
The manifestation of
ma'am.
the Honorable Digamo is noted. Now we shall proceed to vote. Again, our parliamentary status, there is a pending motion to declare, to set aside the first impeachment complaint. That is Castro et al. Impeachment complaint on the ground of violation of 1-year prohibition period. The same has been seconded. The same has been objected to as well, and we shall now proceed to divide the House. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. You may now put down your hands. Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. You may put down your hands. Last, those who abstain, please raise your right hand. Secretariat, the result of the voting, please. With 22 votes in the affirmative and 10 votes in the negative, with 0 abstention, the chair set aside the first impeachment complaint, the Castro et al. Impeachment complaint on the ground of violation of 1-year prohibition period. So ruled.